Hey Ken, thank you so much for watching this video, and a special thanks to your assistant for giving us permission, or kind of just giving us the green light to send this video over to you guys. She spoke with my wife earlier, and she said that you might be interested in something like this. But I don't want to take too much of your time. I know you guys are super busy over there, Service Master. So wanted to show you some tips and tricks on how to increase your online presence. Okay, I know that your web hosting service is Scorpion. I do work with other service masters around the United States to just kind of get them ranked locally, considering that they are a franchise brand. The only problem is that they have a big, or I should say they just have trouble ranking locally, right? To get that respect that you guys deserve, to get those phone calls, right? Considering you guys are a major brand. So I'm just going to show you exactly how I would do that, or how you could do that for yourself, right? If you wanted to contact Scorpion yourself, so that you can get this done, right? Okay. So first and foremost, obviously I've seen these Service Master pages. They're all pretty much the same. They just put in Little Rock, or they put in Farmington, New Mexico, Albuquerque, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, things like that. They just switch them out, obviously. And then the only problem with this is that even though that there does seem to be a lot of content, there's not a lot of keywords, and I feel like this is where Scorpion should probably do a better job by including keywords like restoration services, Little Rock, Arkansas, or mold remediation, Little Rock, things like that. Just ensuring that you guys are putting Little Rock AR. That would increase your visibility. As you can see on here, you guys are not even in the top 3 in the map pack, and then you guys are way down here for organics, right? Your local people, like these guys over here, Arc Restoration is a local company, and they're ranking higher than you, a franchise brand. Okay, but with the tips that I'm telling you right now, you can easily take this #1 spot, and you can take this #1 spot here. Okay, no matter where you are in Little Rock, you'd rank #1 here. Okay. As I said, I don't want to take too much of your time. So the second thing is just backlinks, right? I can see here that you have 360, and basically what this is that it's this tool of mine is called Ahrefs, right? And it just kind of peels back the curtain and kind of shows me what's going on behind the scenes of your website. Okay, and as you can see here, you have 7 referring domains, and that's just basically telling me that you have 7 people visiting your website per month. Okay, and excuse me, you have 7 different websites that are pushing traffic to your website, right? And they're doing so 360 times. Okay, you have 4 organic keywords total on your website, which is why I said you kind of needed more than that. And then there are roughly, right, on average, you have 4 people visiting your website per month. Now, if you look at Arc Restoration, they have 43 people visiting their website per month. They have 70 organic keywords. But the thing is here is that they're visible, right? People are actually visiting their website, and they're probably landing more clients. Okay. Now, the last thing that I want to talk to you about today, okay, is citations. Okay. Now, these before we move on to citations, I just want to tell you, right, that if these backlinks and referring domains are good enough to rank your local competitors here, well, then they're good enough to rank you. Okay, so just by doing a little bit of research, clicking on these, just seeing exactly where they're getting their traffic from, that would definitely help you. Okay, they're probably putting their website in local websites. They're out of Little Rock, which is allowing them to be seen a little more. See that? At Home, Arkansas. So that's one of them right there. I'm pretty sure your website is not on there. Let's see. And then, so lastly, I'm going to talk to you about citations. Okay, now citations are just anywhere that your business can be found in a directory. Okay, now you would need like your business address, your phone number, and obviously the name of your business, and you would just want to list them in directories. And an example of directories would be like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Home Advisor, Angie's List, Yelp, things like that. Okay, and there are even local directories, right, to Little Rock, like for example, the Little Rock Chamber of Commerce, things like that. Okay, so you would want your business in those different directories. That would help build your citation list, and that would help you land here in this map pack. As I said before, it doesn't matter where you are in Little Rock. Okay, you would still rank here in this map pack, right? Because that's where your business is found. If these guys, Service Restoration, had anywhere between 100 to 150 different citations, okay, you would want to one-up them to at least 200, 250, just to ensure that you're constantly dominating this #1 spot, okay? And I don't know if you're like me, but I typically don't go down here, to the third or fourth page of Google to find what I'm looking for. I usually trust the map pack, right? This is where most of the traffic goes. This is where most people are spending their money, okay? So you're probably wondering where to go from here, right? As I said, you can contact Scorpion with these little tips and tricks to get you ranked locally out of Little Rock to ensure that you're getting most of the phone calls, especially now that we're headed, down a recession, to ensure that you're getting most of the clients. That would definitely help. You know what I mean? And just ensuring that you're getting your the backlinks from your competitors, building that citation list, right? Taking all this information and giving it to Scorpion. And the second option is obviously outsourcing some help. As I said, I work with service masters around the U.S. I have a service master here in my local market of Farmington, New Mexico. I have one out of Albuquerque, and I have another one out of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Okay, I'm just reaching out to you guys, considering that you guys are a national brand. You guys definitely deserve the respect of that, service master brand. Okay. So if that's something that interests you, please reach out to me. I could definitely see what I can do to help you. I've spoken with Scorpion several times already, obviously. So I know, what I can offer you. So please give me a shout out or a shout, right? Just email me back if this interests you. And I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much, Ken. I'm sorry for stuttering so much. Have a wonderful day.